In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Uber account. Whether you're a returning user who needs a quick refresher or this is your first time logging in, I'll guide you through each step, making sure the process is as easy and straightforward as possible. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Uber website. You can do this by typing Uber into your search engine or entering the URL directly into the address bar. Once the page has loaded, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this button will take you to the login page. Here, you'll have the option to enter your details. Begin by typing your email address in the provided field. It's important to use the email address associated with your Uber account to ensure a successful login. If typing isn't your thing, Uber offers the flexibility of continuing with Google. Simply click on the Continue with Google option, and you'll be prompted to select your Google account, which is a convenient choice if you've used it in the past to create your Uber account. Next, you'll need to provide your name and phone number. Make sure you enter these details accurately, as they're crucial for verifying your identity and securing your account. It's best to double check your entries here. Afterward, you'll see an Agree button accompanied by the Next button. Click on Agree to consent to Uber's terms and conditions, then proceed by clicking Next to move forward in the login process. At this point, depending on your account setup and the security measures you have implemented, you might be directed to approve the login via another method, such as a text message verification code. If this step is required, simply follow the instructions to receive your code and enter it as prompted. Finally, there's one more click. Make sure you highlight and select the appropriate option that completes your login process. This should log you into your Uber account and redirect you to your main dashboard. Here, you'll find an array of options and features to explore, suited for both riders and drivers. Make sure your account details are up to date and you're all set to use Uber services. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Uber account, ready to book your next ride or manage your driving schedule. If you encounter any issues during the process, check that your internet connection is stable and your login credentials are correct. Having these basics covered should make the process smooth and hassle-free. Thanks for watching and happy traveling with Uber.